Welcome to Chart Traders. Today you will learn ADX indicator, how to trade using ADX indicator, and at the end we are going to analyze the performance and the accuracy of ADX indicator. So what is ADX indicator? It is an average directional indicator. Okay, it is consist of three components: ADX, minus directional indicator, and plus directional indicator, and it is developed by Wells Wilder. Okay, so normally it is used to measure the strength of the trend. Okay, whether the trend is what is the strength of the trend, whether it is a weak or strong. Okay, and it is not used to identify the direction. Okay, so whenever the ADX is above the 25, okay, the trend is strong. When ADX below the 20, it suggests the trend weak trend, and in between 20 and 25 it is a gray area. So what is a trading setup using ADX? So I want to buy when ADX is higher than 20. You can take 25 also, but normally based on different stock I will consider 20 or 25. So whenever the ADX is higher than 20 and plus DI crosses the minus DI, that is your buy signal. And when ADX is higher than 20 and minus DI crosses the plus DI, that is your sell signal. So crossover with ADX value, we can identify the buy and sell signal. So in order to add ADX indicator in Streak, just go to studies and add click on ADX. So ADX contain two value, one is period and smoothing period. So I am going to consider 14. You can take according to your requirement. I am going to take default. So green line is your DI line, red line is your minus DI line, and ADX is your plus. That is a black line. Okay, so whenever this occurrence happen, that is a here whenever the red line crosses whenever red line crosses a green line and ADX is below the 20 above the 20, I am going to sell. So sell opportunity here. Okay, and we have some downtrend higher than 20, sorry, here ADX again here crossing at this point after this candle, green line crossing your red line, ADX about the 25, so I am going to buy. So this is your exit entry point. Same way here, there is a buying opportunity, this is selling opportunity here also. Okay, but ADX is below the 20 level, so we are not going to consider this signal. It is a false signal according to our setup here also. So all are because this black horizontal black line, you can see this is 20 ADX. So whenever the ADX line is below this black line, we are not going to buy or sell. So now above this point, no, all lower than this point only. Okay, now here see, green line crosses your red line. Okay, so you can buy here, and ADX is above the 20, so we can buy. So this ADX indicator measures the strength of trend, and also it will use to identify the false signal. For example, ADX is below the 25, so we are not going to consider this crossover. At this point we are not going to sell. Okay, then any other false signals, here also crossover happen, but the ADX is below the 25, so we are not going to buy here. Same way here. Okay, now here you can sell because ADX is above the 25 and minus DI crosses the plus DI above, so we can sell here at this point. These are the consolidation, or you can say false signals. Now here you can buy. Okay, we have already discussed. So this is the simple trading setup that is based on ADX indicator. We have seen ADX indicator. Now we are going to analyze the performance of ADX indicator over Nifty futures. Okay, so in order to do that, I am going to use Streak. If you don't know what is Streak, just watch out my video introduction to Streak. The link is given below in the description box. Now Here select your Nifty 20 May future time frame, that is a 5 minute. I want to buy, so buy one lot. Okay, now what is the buying condition? When the plus DI, that is a 14 time period, crosses above minus DI. Plus DI, that is your green line, minus DI, that is your red line, and ADX line, okay, that higher than 20. Okay, what is my exit condition? 0.5 percentile. What is my stop loss? 0.5 percentile. Target 1 percentile. In so advanced, you have to write starting time and stop time, chart type, candlestick. Just give your name and we can scan ADX indicator, performance of ADX indicator on a Nifty May future. Okay, so duration is 3 months starting from 3rd Feb to 2nd May. Okay, now you can see here 55 signals are generated. Out of 55, 25 wins, 30 loss. Okay, and if you just remove the brokerage, profit is around 25,000. Okay, so if you want to know what do you mean by all the parameters, just watch out my video, that is basic introduction to streak and streak parameters. Okay, even you can check transaction details. Okay, so it provides time, all the stuffs like time, date, buy price, sell price. Okay, EN means entry, TP means target achieve, SL means stop loss, SO means exit due to MIS. Okay, around 315. So you can check with our Nifty future chart. Just remove Bollinger Band, ADX. Okay, 1414. So when this plus line crosses your red line, that is green line crosses your red line, buy signal generated. Okay, and target is 1 percentile, stop loss is 0.5. Even you can keep exit condition, that is plus DI crosses below red line. Okay, so here we have just written target and stop loss, we have not written exit condition, but you can write. Okay, now around it's all opening trade. You can avoid also opening time if you wish. I just want to check on a daily. Wait. Okay, see, on a 23rd April around 2:05 it is going to buy, so around 23rd April 2 o'clock. Okay, so around here it is going to buy. Okay, what's the problem here? It is a small overlap, so you can avoid this overlap by adding different other indicator. Okay, so just watch out my video how to merge different indicator. The link is given below in the description box. But in this video we want to just analyze the performance of ADX indicator. Okay, you can buy the buy signal generated here, then here also, then here. Okay, so it also provide time and date. So just explore your streak if you wish. Okay, if you like my video, subscribe to my channel and share with others. Thank you.